Halal food is consumed by over 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide, but did you know it's also gaining popularity among non-Muslims for its supposed health benefits? But is halal food actually healthier? Let's dive into what science says. First, what exactly makes food halal? For meat to be halal, it must come from an animal slaughtered in the name of Allah with a sharp knife, cutting the throat swiftly to ensure minimal suffering. The blood must be fully drained, and certain animals, like pork, are completely forbidden. Here are some key summary of how halal meat are being prepared. Slaughtered, humanely blood drained, no pork or alcohol. Blessed in Allah's name. But beyond religious guidelines, does this method actually make the food healthier? Let's look at the science. 1. Lower bacterial risk, blood drainage. One major factor is blood drainage. Studies show that proper blood removal reduces bacteria growth since blood is a breeding ground for microbes. A 2018 study in the Journal of Food Quality found that halal slaughtered meat had lower bacterial counts compared to conventional methods. 2. Stress hormones and meat quality. Another key difference? Stress. In halal slaughter, the animal should be calm before slaughter, reducing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. High stress before death can lead to tougher meat and faster spoilage. Research in Meat Science Journal suggests that low-stress slaughter improves meat tenderness and shelf life. 3. No harmful additives, no pork byproducts. Halal food also avoids pork and alcohol-based ingredients, which some studies link to health risks like heart disease and digestive issues. Plus, halal certification often means stricter checks for contaminants. Now, some people claim halal meat is cleaner just because it's blessed, but science says it's more about the method. Not all halal food is organic or antibiotic-free unless specified. And while draining blood removes some toxins, proper cooking is still essential for safety. So, is halal food healthier? The answer? It depends. The slaughter method can reduce bacteria and stress-related toxins, but nutritionally, halal chicken is similar to non-halal chicken. The real health boost comes from no pork, linked to higher cholesterol, stricter hygiene standards, ethical treatment of animals. However, if the meat is fried or processed, it's not automatically healthier just because it's halal. The bottom line, halal food has some scientifically backed benefits like lower bacteria and better meat quality, but it's not a magic health solution. If you prefer ethical, cleaner meat, halal is a great choice. But always check labels and cooking methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more food science videos. See you next time.